Please click on subscribe and bell button.
So friends, YouTube has come up with a new rule, and the rule is to update the tax information in your Google AdSense account. We need to update the tax information. There is a form we need to fill, and we need to fill that on or before 31st May 2021. If we fail to do this, then we will be charged 24% tax from the views we are getting from United States. Okay, so that is the update we have. So there is a bit of confusion because when you go to Google AdSense account, it is giving you a pop-up or a message telling action required. All YouTube creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Okay, so you will be getting this message, and on the right hand side you will see manage tax information. Okay, so if you click on that, there is a lot of forms we need to fill. There is many forms and we need to choose one form, so there is a bit of confusion. So I thought let's make this video and show you a step-by-step process of which is the form we need to choose and what are the steps we need to follow to update this tax information. So this video is going to be on that. And before I start this video, I request, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. So let's start the video. Okay, now I have logged into my account, Google AdSense account, and from here I will click on payments. And if you see here, this is the message I was talking about. Action required. All YouTube creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Okay, so I will click on manage tax information. Okay, so to get payouts from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take few minutes. Okay, so I click on add tax info. Now I need to authenticate, so I will log in again. I have put the password and it has allowed me in now. Okay, so now next screen it is saying United States tax information. What type of account is Shayog S? Okay, so I say it's an individual account. You can click on this I button to understand. So it says an individual account is owned and operated by a human and not a legal organization. So it is very clear, individual account. So then I click on next. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? No. Next. So there are two forms here. Okay, so I need to choose which form I need to submit. So let's read this. So the first form is W8BEN. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. Okay. Next one is this form is most commonly used by a non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business and files a US income tax return. So this is not the one I need, and this is not the one most of you guys will be doing. It is an individual account and it's a non-US entity. So I click on this form and then I click on start W8BEN form. So it will load now. It will go to the next page. Here it will ask for few details, like it is asking name of the individual. So this is picking up from the Google AdSense account. This is not required. Individual name as shown on your tax document. Doing business as name. Okay, so here I will put my name again. Sorry, here we should not put any name because it is not a business entity, it's an individual entity. So I will delete the name. So remember, so name of the individual will be my name. It is picking from Google AdSense account. And if it is not a business account, then please do not give any name nor your channel name here. Okay. Country of citizenship, then I will choose India here. Okay, this is the one which is causing confusion. Foreign TIN. What is foreign TIN and what is US ITIN or SSN number? So we don't have this very clear US ITIN or SSN number because we are not citizen of US. But foreign tin for Indians, we can choose to update your PAN card number. Okay, it is also there in the Google. You can also search foreign tin is also considered as your PAN card number. So I will update my PAN card number here. So make sure you give your PAN card number here without fail. So here you make sure you give the same address which is there in the Google AdSense account. So I will update my address. I will update city and the pin code. And now I'll update the state as Karnataka and choose mailing address is same as a permanent address. And then now I'll click on next. Then here in tax treaty, you need to say, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Yes. Click on this. Resident of country claiming trade with US. You tick on this and you select India here. Okay. And then you need to choose the services we provide. Special rates and conditions. Okay. Do we use services on AdSense? Yes. So I click on this. Then I select the Article 7 and paragraph 1. Withholding rate of 0%. Okay. Then I tick on this. Then motion picture and TV, YouTube and Google Play. Yes, so I tick on this. Then I select the Article 12 paragraph 2A2 withholding rate of 15% reduced rate. Then I tick on this. Other copyright, YouTube and Google Play. Yes. Article 12 and paragraph 2A2 withholding rate of 15%. And I tick on this and now I click on next. Okay, so once I click on next in document for preview, so our document is ready on the right hand corner. You see W8DEN default. This is the document. Here I just need to confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax document to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct and complete. Then I click on next. Then under certification, full legal name as per my PAN card. So I will update my name. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes, I am the person listed in the signature. So I click on this, yes, and then I go to next. Okay, so after I click on next, in the 6th column it says activities and service performed in US and affidavit. So as an individual or entity identified in the tax identify section performed any activities and services for Google within US? No. So it is not within US, it is outside US. So I click on no and then I certify this and then status change affidavit. So here I need to choose this option. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payment. So mine is a new Google AdSense account. I have not received even one payment so far from the AdSense. So I will choose this. If you already have an account and from which you have already received a payment previously, then you choose the second option. Okay, so mine is a new one. So I will click on this option, first option, and then I click on submit. So once I click on submit, it is loading. Okay, now if you see US tax info W8BEN approved, submitted March 13, 2021, submitted by Shayog S. Okay. So the tax information form has been submitted now. So this is the step-by-step process. I hope there's a lot of information you can get from this video. but I would request you to please watch the video till the end so that you get all the information. And in case if you have any questions, please do not forget to ask in the comment section, and also please do not forget to click on the subscribe and the bell button. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.